just finished giving forage to my goats, and I'm really wet. So now I'm going to show you around with this heavy rain. Let's go! So we will go first, guys, on the other side. This is close to the rice field part. So the river flood is really heavy, guys. Ito na yung pinakamalakas na flood namin this year. So hanggang dito na lang po ako kasi malayo. So I'll show you around, guys. So yan. And it is still raining. So ngayon pupunta naman tayo sa ibang side. So, ito yung front yard namin. Para na siyang swimming pool. O, diba? Ang lakas talaga ng ulan. So, nandito na tayo, guys. O, diba? Grabe. Napakalakas na baha. So guys, because of this heavy rain and flood, the goats are always inside their pen. They're not allowed to go out, especially the newborn babies. So you don't need to worry about those cuties because they are safely inside their pen. And all of us here who are living in the province are always alert because once there is a heavy rain, of course, a heavy river flood may follow any time. Right, everyone, I just want to inform you that we are all fine and safe here, and I hope you're also fine there, especially to those who have rains and floods today. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching. I'll see you on the next day. Bye!